Good morning friends, welcome to Voice of Success YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to share you one biggest earning platform. Through affiliate marketing, you can make every 4 days 400% income, and you can also make a lifetime earning opportunity. So if you do a small effort, you can make monthly 40,000 to 2 lakhs income, and according to that every 4 days you can make 400 rupees of profit through this affiliate earning platform. So what is this platform, where to you make this income, in which how to you need to register, and whatever the earnings you have done, where to withdraw, how much the withdrawal, whether you can make daily withdrawals or what, A to Z pin to pin details I am going to share with you. So please watch this video till end and you can take a much more benefit from this video. So total entire details I am going to share you. So don't skip in between, and don't miss the video. Okay, take a complete 20 minutes or 15 minutes time and keep watching this video. And if you have any doubts in further, I have given you description in my number, or else whoever has you they shared you this link, contact them and take the more information. So today I am going to tell you one beautiful opportunity. So I will show you one magical income sheet. You can observe this. With this sheet you can make 400% profit in 4 days, and according to that you can make thousands, lakhs and crores of income, plus lifetime career income 40,000 to 2 lakhs income every month. So here you have an opportunity to make instant income plus lifetime career income. So please keep watching this information till the end. So to make this income, you need to take a membership with 118 rupees. So whatever the amount you are investing, you can take 400 profit within a 4 days. So you can observe this sheet here, and this profit you are getting from this affiliate program. Okay, so you are getting 400 rupees, 400% profit in 4 days, means your investment is now completely zero, and your 4 days income you can check here. So whatever the membership you are taking, you are getting 100% cashback immediately, and if you make a small effort, you are going to get this income. So what is the second and third income? I am showing you on one opportunity. So company name is Freedom 100, and why you need to take a membership in Freedom 100 means Freedom 100 is providing you 3 to 15% on A to Z online services, A to Z recharge, mobile recharge, DTH recharge services. So these services you are till now you have using from Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato, but there is no guarantee whether you are getting cashback from there or not. But if you take the membership with 118 rupees and you can start using with Freedom 100 services, 100% lifetime on every transaction you are going to get 3 to 15% cashback. And while doing shopping also, Freedom 100 has it's a complete affiliate program. We have tie up with more than 110 websites. Whatever the services, whatever the website you are using, you can start using from through Freedom 100, and you can get 3 to 15% of cashback. For that reason we are taking a membership in Freedom 100. So benefits of taking benefits in freedom membership in Freedom 100, you can start using 3 to 20% of lifetime discount, and you will be getting 5% on company turnover every day, and working bonus income you are going to get, and you have team support, and you can make much more income through affiliate program, which I am going to share you some details in further. Okay, so whatever the services Freedom 100 is providing, A to Z online services and 3 to 15% lifetime guaranteed services. That's the reason we need to take a membership in Freedom 100. Okay, so now Freedom 100, by taking membership you are going to get 100% cashback, so your income is completely zero, and you can make 400% return within a 4 days. So I will show you how you can make 400% returns in 4 days. See here you are seeing today 12th October, and up to 15th October we have one opportunity. So if you share this affiliate program to your friends, see friends, you can share with any person, because Freedom 100 and recharge services is basic necessity for every person. So whomever they are making, so they can make a very beautiful income from here. So if you invite 4 members in 4 days, okay, so you are going to get one e-pin free, means you have paid 118 rupees for ID activation. Likewise same 118 rupees pin you are going to get within 4 days. So if you do 8 members, you are going to get 2 pins, and in the same plan we have two types of plan, 118 and 236. So I am explaining you 118, and in this scenario you can understand this 236 plan also. Very clear friends. So by taking in 354 plan, you can see the benefit here. So on direct member, so if, for example I will show you in 118 rupees, if you direct sponsor of one member, you are going to get 40 rupees, and in 236 plan 70 rupees. For an example, if you invite with 354 plan, so on every direct you are going to get 110 rupees. So on first 3 members you are going to get 60 rupees, and from fourth member unlimited members you are going to get 70 rupees. So according to this sheet you can understand. So if you are inviting 4 members means you are going to get 410 rupees, means first 3 members 100 rupees, on fourth member 110 means 410 rupees, and instant you are going to get a 300 rupees cashback, and according to week offer means 4 days offer you are going to get 354 rupees pin. So your instant income is 1064 rupees. So according to that, another level income you are going to get is 27 crores of income plus 42,000 non-working income. So this total information I am going to share you. So you have understand offer, right? So in this scenario, if you open this sheet, now I am showing you. So you have joined with 118 rupees or 236 plan, you got 100% cashback. And second offer, so according to 4 direct joinings within 4 days, you are going to get a 1 e-pin. So according to every 4 days we are going to get this offer. So according to this offer you are going to get 1 e-pin free. So and the third offer is on every member you are going to get 40 rupees. So you can observe here. So on 4 members 40 160 rupees. So if you make the total calculation, 160 rupees, 118 and 100 rupees. So total 380 rupees is your profit. So you have invested 100 rupees, 118 rupees, you got 380 rupees profit. So now your investment is completely zero. And apart from this, according to this, monthly you can make 40,000 to 2 lakhs income. Why means I will show you. Friends, Freedom 100 I already showed you. Company is giving you A to Z services and A to Z online recharges, shopping services. So whoever joined under you, they will start using these services. So if you join with 354 rupees, you can start saving of 5,000 to 10,000 every year. So likewise, everyone want to save the income apart from expenditure. So the person who have joined in Freedom 100, okay, so they will start using Freedom 100 service. So for an example, we'll take, you have joined and you have made a 500 rupees of recharge in a month. So in 500 rupees, you are going to get 300 rupees cashback. So in 300 rupees, you are going to get 15 rupees. So in 15 rupees, 50% income. Okay. So 50% income, 7 rupees 50 paisa will be come to you. So you can start using and you can withdraw it, or you can use it for recharge, or you can generate a pin also. And remaining 7 rupees 50 paisa will be distributed in 10 levels. So first level 13 rupees, second level to sixth level 5 rupees, and 7 to 13 10 level 3 rupees. Okay. So in according to this, if 1% which have joined under you, if they do recharge of 500 rupees also, and if you are making a 3x3 matrix team, it's an example, you can make unlimited members also, and your downline can also make unlimited members. For an example, if you take, you have invited 3 members and 3 members has done a 3 members, likewise you are going to get 40,000 plus income on recharge. And he can also do mobile recharge, DTH recharge, insurance, everything. So likewise, if one person can spend an online services in these websites, so if he spend 2,000 rupees of shopping, so we'll get 3 to 15% cashback. For an example, we'll take one person is expenditure is 2,000 rupees in a particular month. So he will be getting 50% of self income, and remaining 50% will be getting up to 10 levels. So according to that, if every person's in our downline, or else in your downline, or else in your under members, so if one person is using more than 2,000 rupees shopping, means we will be getting 1,60,000 plus income every month. So now you can observe, friends, if one person is taking a membership and if he start using 500 to 3,000 shopping, insurance, any A to Z online services, hotel booking, flight booking, you are also going to get a 50,000 to 2 lakhs income. So which I have mentioned here. Okay. So in this scenario, you will be getting lifetime monthly passive income, because Freedom 100 is providing a lifetime guaranteed cashback. So every person will be start using the services from here. So after getting these 3 types of income, and once you complete 3 plus direct joinings, you are going to get working bonus income in 118 rupees plan. You can check here. So once you complete 3 plus direct joining, you will be getting 4% on company turnover. Means in these 5 slabs, total 20% income will be shared in these 5 slabs. Means in each slab 4%. So if you completed 3 plus direct joining, you will be getting 4%. If you complete 6 to 25 joinings, another 4%. Likewise, 12,490 rupees you will be getting the income. So if you join with 354 plan, or else 236 plan, 118 plus 236 means 354. You are going to get non-working income, and this matrix system will be followed from entire company, and it completely depends on company business turnover. there is a no guarantee that you will be getting income in these particular days. So whatever the members company is getting, so in that income company is sharing through affiliate system and affiliate program. Okay, so we have already A to Z affiliate program and affiliate services. So apart from this, you can also do some task income, task earning apps. Okay, so apps downloading, surveys, and simple product reviews. Likewise, you can make, and every referral you will be getting 5 rupees also, free members. So how to register in Freedom 100? So visit freedom100.in website, take your upliner details and fill the details. You will be getting ID password, log in with your ID password, and you can start working in Freedom 100, whether through free or paid members. But if you take a membership, and you can start making a very huge profit by sharing this affiliate program through your friends, and you can also make a self income in Freedom 100, friends. So now I will open my account and I will show you where to check all these details and how to check and how you can start making the income. So I will log out and I will again re-log in so that you will be getting a clarity on it. So you can download Freedom 100 app from Play Store, or else you can go to visit Google or go to Chrome and type freedom100.in. You will be open this page. Okay, you can start using A to Z Freedom 100 affiliate service. But remember one thing: after login, you have to do this service. Then only you will be getting a 3 to 50% cashback. Without login, if you do, you can start using these services, but you won't get any cashback. So remember that you need to keep logging, and then you can start using the services. So after going through this, click on registration option, enter your upliner details who have shared you this audio video, enter their ID, or else click on their ID so that you will be directly visible of this registration form. So enter your first name, last name, email ID, and choose any password. Select your state and enter your mobile number. And this CAPTCHA code you need to enter same as it is here. And if this code is not taking, you click here for option. So you will be getting new code, and you have to enter this verification code here. Then you need to click here in registration option and click sign up. So you will be getting one ID password. So log in with that ID password. So I am showing I am logging into my ID. So this is my ID. So enter your ID password, and you can enter this CAPTCHA as it is down. Got it, friends? So once again you will be find this page. So whatever the apps you are getting here, you can start downloading this app, and you can make extra income from app downloading also. So after logging in this, okay, you need to click on spin win option. Okay, so on every you can make a spin, and you can make a very good income here based on your luck. So that income will be displayed downside. I will show you. And here is your refer link. So once you take a registration in Freedom 100, you will be getting one sponsor link. So if you share this link with your friends, you will be getting 5 rupees. So that 5 rupees you can make withdrawal once that person can make a 40 rupees of task earning. Okay, so here you can check self task income and team task income. So my downline making task income. So if you click here, who has done the task, you can find every details here. Member ID, okay, and amount which you got from your downline, and date and time you can see here. So 12th October today, and 10th October, 10th October, 9th October. So likewise we will be keep on getting this income. So whatever the task your downline person is doing, on his earning you will be getting 10% up to 5 levels. For an example, if your downline person has done a 100 rupees task, 50 rupees will be self income, and rupees will be shared in 5 levels. So on each level you will be getting 10 rupees of task income level. So we have made a very good live videos. So you can start using that video. So you will be getting a more information, and you can see free registration members, active members. So all details you can find out here. So whatever the top earning apps you are seeing, you can keep on downloading this app, and you can make earnings by here. And some apps whoever is doing this task, you should be a first user. Okay, so we have given you top 10-15 earning apps, so where you will be getting 100% income, because in few apps you may not get income more than 50-60%, 100% you are going to get the income. Okay, you can keep trying these all apps, and you can make another extra income, friends. So now you can click on go to main dashboard option, so that we'll find this affiliate program income. I will show you options. So this is a Freedom 100 website. After logging in, here is your refer link. You share this link to whom you want to share this affiliate income. So this both link will be shared, whether free or paid members, both link will be shared free. So you can start using that. Okay. So these are my earnings, wallet earning, and this is a total earning. Okay, so my downline team and royalty income, company turnover 5% income, working bonus income 4%. Okay, we have made a latest updated video, you can watch that. And here you can see my total non-working income today, means in 118 rupees. Once you complete 3 plus direct joining, in complete turnover 4% income will be shared. So today's my earning is 70 paisa. Likewise, till now I have made 523 rupees my earning. Okay, likewise you will be getting up to 12,490 rupees. And this is the 236 plan, my downline level income, royalty income. Okay, if you get royalty income, you need to invite more than 20%. Sorry, I came back. Right, friends, in 236 plan, and 236 plan, it's an auto pull income. You can check 12 rupees of non-working income means first level has completed. I will show you one image so that you will be getting more clarity on it. Okay, so this is a 118 rupees working bonus income on company turnover daily 4% in each slab. So 20% of company turnover will be shared daily. So up to 12,490 rupees. How much direct joinings you will do? You will make that much fast. You can make this working bonus income. And this is auto pull income. So my first level means first two members 6 rupees, 12 rupees means first level completed. So my second nine levels income is pending. So I already shown you task income, and every levels you will be getting 10% of your downline earnings in free earnings. And now I will be showing show you this recharge income. So this is a dashboard, you can manage it. And if you want these PPTs, you can download from PPTs, or if you want to take insurance recharge, you can make here. So once click on these three dotted lines, you will be find menu option. Okay, after clicking here, if you want to do shopping, click on affiliate claim option. So you can start using shopping from Freedom 100 after logging in this. So whoever downline is using recharges, you will be getting income here. Okay, so click here in recharge shopping option. You will be go to shopping portal, and you can start using shopping from Freedom 100 and get 3 to 15% lifetime cashback. And also you can make check offers and deal option. And the next is profile option. So profile option, you can view profile, edit profile, you can change password. And you, if you want to make withdrawal, you need to do KYC. In KYC, you need to fill bank details, and PAN card is enough. Very soon we are also removing this PAN card option, because many students are earning. So if you don't have PAN card also, in further you can make earning. And if you want to make from till now also, you can make, because you can, if you don't have PAN card, you can use your parents IDs and you can start using here. Okay, next transaction password. If you want to do recharge, click on cashback and recharge option, and you can start using Freedom 100 services. So whatever the cashback you are getting, you will be see here. And if you want to add a recharge wallet amount, click here in add fund option, and you can add recharge fund by using your credit card, debit card, net banking, mobile banking. So whomever your downline is using recharge services, on them you will be getting 3 to 13% of earnings in 10 levels. So this income you can check here. I will show you how this income is getting. So if you want to do recharge, click on mobile recharge or DTH recharge or electricity bill, and you can start using recharge. The offer will be displayed after clicking on this, and you can keep recharging. And once if you want to check the recharge, click on view recharge history, you can find the recharge history. So if you find any error, if your recharge was not success, or else if any amount deducted but recharge not success, you can make a support in WhatsApp. Okay, click here, you will be get a company WhatsApp number automatically redialing. So you can mention your doubt, so that you will be getting response within 30 minutes. Okay, so this is friends. And the next genealogy option. So whom you are inviting, whether paid members will be see in paid option, unpaid members unpaid option. Okay, claim option, and the level income, 15 levels income you can check here, and recharge income. So whoever downline person is doing recharge, you can click on recharge option, you can check the recharges. So their ID, on which member you got the income, how much income you got. Okay, type credited, and remark which levels. Okay, up to 10 levels will be having a recharge level income. You can check every details here. So on yesterday I got 11 rupees, on 11th October I got 70 paisa, 0.7 paisa, 2 paisa, 19 paisa, 50 paisa. Okay, likewise you will be keep earning here. So if you make a once, you will be build a team of 3x3 matrix or 4 matrix, or else you can make unlimited members also. So according to that you will be getting income. But if you, example, if you make 3x3 matrix also, you can make 40,000 plus income. But if you make more team, If you in 4 matrix, this income will be 3 4 time, because team will be increasing. Likewise, if you how much big team you have, that much big income you can make, and apart from that you will be getting a more than 8 9 types of income. So this is the option, friends, in recharge option. And next option we'll see pin option. So once you complete 4 direct joinings, you will be getting 1 e-pin free. So that pin you can activate your downline members ID. So that option you can check here. Click on e-pin option, you will be find upgrade option. Click on upgrade and you can activate your downline ID. Okay, and next this is EPN options, whichever the plan you need to activate, you can activate. So whatever the referral amount you are getting, or else from this passive income in affiliate program income getting, if you want to generate pin, and you can generate pin and you can activate your ID. If you don't have pins also, you can contact your upliners and you can start pay the amount to them and you can make the activations. But you need to remember, if you find whatever the number you find in website, pay them only, or else the link which you have joined, you pay them, or else you can company pay to company, because sometimes you may some people will be doing fraud. So be alert, okay, to whomever the amount you are paying. So verify that whether they are genuine customers or not, whether they are a member of Freedom 100 or not, and whether they are availability of pins with them or not. Then you can make the payment. Next option is withdrawal option. So whatever the withdrawal you made, you can click on view withdrawal and you can check. If you want to make the withdrawal, you can click on request withdrawal request option, and minimum withdrawal is 40 rupees. Daily you can make the payment. So for an example, I will show you my withdrawal. So view withdrawal option. So you can check ID, admin charges, totally legal company TDS will be deducted, and you can also complete the TDS option. Okay, so total amount you can check. So today I made the withdrawal, it's pending. So amount will be credited within 24 to 48 hours. So maximum within 48 hours you will be getting payment, daily payments. So here check the dates and all everything. So this is about Freedom 100, friends. So every time you can make a very good income through this affiliate system and this recharge system, and every time, every day, okay, in every 4 days you can make 400 rupees of profit within a short time. Okay, so this is a sheet I have made for you. So once again I will deeply explain on this sheet, and I am going to close this. Okay, so you can make 400 profit in 4 days, every 4 days. How? I already showed you. Every week we have the offer. So if you make every 4 days, if you make 4 members, you will be getting 400 rupees of profit. How? Means you will be, if you complete 4 direct joinings, you will be getting 1 e-pin. If you complete, and plus on every member you will be getting 40% of referral income. Okay, if you make a more direct joining also, you will be making a more income. So this is from 118 rupees plan, and this is a 236 plan offer. Okay, so apart from that, we will be getting a level income also. So ask every 4 members to whom you are inviting, ask them to complete 4 direct joinings within a 4 days, or else in a particular time period of that 4 days offer, so that they are also going to earn 400% of earning, and your lifetime you can make 40,000 to 2 lakhs income every month, passive income, by using these services. Ask every person to start using Freedom 100 service, and they can start using. And apart from that, if they want to make a free task income, self income, they can start downloading apps and doing surveys and giving product reviews. They can also make that income, and if they make income also, you are going to get 5 levels income, and each level 10% of earnings. So this is about the Freedom 100, friends. So keep earning, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the person who have shared your audios videos, contact them, or else find my number from the description and you can give me a call, so that I will help you. So wish you good luck, all the best, and keep earning with Freedom 100. Happy networking. So this is a very beautiful platform. So don't miss it and start earning from today. All the best. Have a great day.